Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have a backup of your wheel profile and game files. This protects defaults. Once done, open Assetto Corsa's installation folder or content manager. You need to find player, JSON, and controller config. Ini because they store force feedback parameters. You'll also want your wheel's native software open to monitor torque and rotation values. Make sure to note current values so you can revert if something feels wrong. You now edit the numeric FFB parameters, gain, force, and minimum force, to control overall strength and baseline torque. Change curb, road, and slip coefficients to tune detail versus clipping. Higher numbers increase sensation but risk saturation. Once you save a small change, relaunch the game or use Content Manager's Reload to apply settings. Test with a familiar car and track, and iterate in 10 to 20% steps. Finish by fine-tuning filters and natural oscillation. Enable damper or frequency filters in your wheel software if available. That reduces unwanted vibration. Calibrate rotation range and centering so in-game steering matches the wheel. If you experience clipping, reduce overall gain or lower high-frequency components in player. JSON, if effects disappear, increase minimum force slightly to preserve feel. If things go wrong, restore your backup and return to the prior working values before trying another change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.